Let's install Java development kit that includes a Java compiler. We have two kinds of a Java development kit. One is from company Oracle, which requires a license, of course, for educational purpose that is free to use. But we are going to use open source Java development kit. That's called OpenJDK. So if you look for OpenJDK from search engine, you have OpenJDK web page there. So to install the compiler Java development kit, here is the link JDK Java net/14. So version 14 is generally available, so we are going to use that one for this course. So here we are going to use Windows 64-bit version, so click download the Windows installer. I have already downloaded so here is the downloaded version. I have downloaded again though. So to install this one, just unzip the folder and placed it some location. So here, if you have a compress tool, you can unzip it. If you don't have a compress tool, that's okay. Right click on the file name and then open with the Windows Explorer. Then you can see the files inside the zip folder. This is not unzipped, but you can browse the contents. But we need to put this folder, JDK folder, in certain locations. So to do so, let's open another window. So we have two windows. And the location we are going to install, I'm going to use on the top of the C drive, so that would be the good place to do so, which is outside the normal user document area. There, the one inside the zip folder, you are browsing that, drag it, and then paste it, drop it on C drive. Then unzip is operated, and then the unzipped folder will be placed on the top of the C drive. And that concludes the installation, but we need to do some configuration shortly. So as you look into the contents, JDK version 14, there's a bin folder. Under the bin folder, there are lots of exe files. So here, java.exe is Java runtime, and javac.exe, that is the compiler. So we are going to use this installation, JDK installation. So in the next video, I'll show you how to configure Windows to use this JDK from any place on your computer.